Okay, problem number 2, that is the assignment problem. The problem statement is given below is the time required in days when a particular software program model is assigned to a particular programmer. Here they are given the 4 programmers and 4 model, and that each programmer will take how many days to complete those models. They are given in the matrix. Okay, that 12, 10, 8, 9 for the first model, and which are at days timing from that programmers. After that, and they are given the question that is assign the models to the different programmers in such a way that the total computing time is least. So by seeing this statement, by seeing the last statement, we can conclude that this is the minimization problem, which is a time is least, which time is least they have asked. So that's why the time, this is the minimization matrix. Okay, now, okay, we'll go for the solution. Okay, solution. So what is the first step? So all of you know that first step is we need to check whether the given problem is having the same number of rows and same number of columns. So that number of rows and columns should be equal. That's why I've written small n is equal to m. So it means that, so always we will write the matrix order in the m cross n. So m is nothing but number of rows, and n is nothing but number of columns. In this, a number of rows are 4 and the number of columns are 4. So it means that n is equal to m. So that's why it is the given problem is balanced type of assignment problem. Balanced type of assignment problem. So then we can proceed. If it is not balanced, if n is not equal to m, then we need to make it equal by adding either dummy column or dummy row, depending on the number of rows, which number of rows or the column which is less. That is the first step. Okay, now it is the given problem is balanced type of assignment problem. Okay, we'll move on to the second step, that is a row minimization or the row iteration. So anyone you can call. Okay, here what is the condition or the how to solve this row minimization? First, we need to identify the minimum number in each row, minimum number in the each row, in this row, which is the minimum number that can be, that should be deducted from all the elements. Okay, in the first row, 8 is the minimum number. Okay, in this 8, okay, 12 minus of 8 is a 4, 10 minus of 8 is a 2, 8 minus of 8 is 0, 9 minus of 8 is 1. Likewise, you need to calculate for the all the rows. Okay, do it yourself. Even at the same time, I'll do. And in the second row, minimum number is 7. Okay, 7 means 8 minus of 7, 1. 9 minus of 7, 2. 11 minus of 7, 4. 7 minus of 0, 0. And in the third row, 10 is the minimum number. If the 10 in the sense, so 11 minus of 10, 1. 14 minus of 10, 4. 12 minus of 10, 2. 10 minus of 10, 0. Okay, in the fourth one, 8 is the minimum number. If 8, then 1, 1, 0, 1. This way we need to finish off the row iteration. Okay, now we are supposed to go for the column iteration. Okay, what is the next step? What is the next step? Okay, we need to go for the column iteration. While going for the column iteration, do not consider the first matrix. Now we need to consider the second matrix. This matrix we need to consider. Okay, column iteration. In each column you need to identify which is the least number. Okay, in the first column, so there are 3 ones are there. 3 ones, so select any one. Okay, 1 minus of 1 is a 0. 1 minus of 1 is 0. 1 minus of 1 is 0. And 4 minus of 1 is 3. Okay, in the second column, again 1 is the least number. It means 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 3 minus 1, and 1 minus 1. Okay, what about the third column? What about the third column? Third column, so 0 is the minimum number. If there is a 0, then no need to calculate, just write it as it is. And if you come to fourth column, so there are 2 zeros, so again it will not get changed. Here the minimum number is 0. And need not to mark these numbers. Need not to mark. Only for your understanding I am writing here, because as it is online class, so I cannot convey all the messages to you clearly. So need not to mark this. So just check the number and write it. Okay, what was the number here? It was 0. 2. Okay, need not to mark. Okay, once we finish with the third step, step number 3, column minimization, then we need to go for the assigning. We need to go for the assigning the. Okay, while assigning, okay, we need to check which row or the column having the least number of zeros. The first row having the only 1 0, and the second row having the 2 zeros, third row also having the 2, and the fourth row having 3 zeros. So better go for the first zero, that first row. Okay, now, so if you assign a first row, this one, then in this particular first row and third column, we need to check how many zeros are there. In the first row, there are no zeros, and in the third column, there's a 1 0. Just cancel this. Just cancel this one. Okay, after that, check in next, say, second row, third row, fourth row, all the 3 rows having the 2 zeros. So while coming to column wise, so second column having single 0. So it means that, so it's better to assign to second column. If you assign to second column, then it will be cancelled. And in this column, so there is no 0. Okay, now we can assign to anyone. So if you assign to this one, then this will be, sorry, not this. If you assign there, then it will be cancelled. And next we can assign here. This is the one solution. This is the one solution. What is that solution? Okay, first solution is 1 to C we can assign, and 2 to A we can assign, and 3 to D we can assign, and 4 to B we can assign. At the same time, we need to add the cost. What is the cost? 1 to C is 8 from the first matrix. From the first matrix, we need to take 2 to A, 3 to D, and 4 to B. So it is 8. It is 8. It is 10. And it is 9. So whatever the total, 8 4s are 32. 32 days. So this is one answer. This is one answer. Because some people will think that why I should assign that only. I'll go for, instead of assigning 2 to A, I'll go for 2 to D. If you go for 2 to D, then these two will cancel, and this is one more. In that case, so second solution is, a second solution will be 1 to C, 2 to D, 3 to A, and 4 to B. In that case, what are the that cost that you need to check? Okay, 1 to C is a 8, 2 to D is a 7, 3 to A is 11, and 4 to B is a 9. Okay, now what is the total? It is 35. 35 days. So it means that It means that the first solution is good one. It means that the first solution is good one. That's why you need to check a different answers or the different solutions to be framed while assigning the assignment problem. No, even this first solution is also 35 only. First solution is also 35. 8, 8 and 10. 8, 8, 10 is 26. 26 plus of 9 is 35 only. If both answers are 35, so you can select anyone. You can select anyone. I hope it's clear. Okay, Chinmay, I have mentioned that first answer is 35. Likewise, you need to solve minimize